aquí amb David, que és responsable dels mèdia i de comunicació del Sinn Féin. A part, a la seva vida privada ha estudiat societat i cultura. Les joventuts del Sinn Féin són el referent juvenil de l'independentisme d'Irlanda. Podeu explicar en què consisteix el vostre projecte i la vostra activitat?
Our main project, we are the largest Irish Republican youth movement. We are the only Irish Republican youth movement. We represent the youth of Shinn Féin. Our project is basically promoting our case for Irish unity. We campaign on other social issues such as unemployment, drug addiction and so on.
Com es planteja a casa vostra el procés d'alliberament nacional? En quin moment us trobeu?
I think we're in a good position. We're not as far ahead as places like Catalonia and Scotland perhaps, but slowly but surely the connection between Britain and Ireland is being broken. There's a lot of work to be done, especially in the Free State, the 26 counties. Sinn Féin came out on top as the largest party in the elections recently, so we're in a good position, but it's very hard to tell where we're going to be in, say, 20 years or so.
Un altre fenomen polític català del que segurament estareu al cas és l'organització de consultes populars sobre la independència a més de 400 municipis catalans, entre d'altres la pròpia capital del país, Barcelona. Com es veu aquest procés al vostre país?
We're very impressed with those referendums that take place. We also know that it comes from the community, it's not just a party effort. We know the community comes out in every place, even where there's no representation of Esquerra. We think it's a great idea. Yeah.
Les joventuts del Sinn Féin teniu estretes relacions amb les joventuts d'Esquerra Republicana, la JERC. Més enllà del fet obvi que compartiu ideari, quines lliçons creus que ambdues organitzacions poden extreure l'una de l'altra?
I think we both have a lot to learn from each other. I think, though, the youth movement in Catalonia is at a much advanced stage than we are. The organisation of this movement is very impressive. I think we can definitely learn from that. And of course, as before, we're happy to have representatives from Catalonia, the youth movement, to see how we do things in Ireland as well.
And what do you think about Acampada, Jove? Què en penses de l'Acampada, Jove?
Very impressed, obviously. I'd really like to do it in Ireland as well, you know.
Vosaltres, com a Sinn Féin, us agradaria dur a terme aquesta iniciativa?
Absolutely. We're already in the process of thinking about bringing a show like this to Ireland. So.
Doncs una acampada jove a la irlandesa, ho veurem, això esperem. David, moltes gràcies, thank you very much.